How to download and install the WeCash app on your Android device. So first go ahead and open Play Store. Here you'll see three options on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on the search option on the bottom right corner. After tapping on it, you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in WeCash. After you type in WeCash, you'll see an app which is launched by the WeCash app and has more than 1 million downloads. Simply tap on the install button right here, and after a few moments, WeCash will be installed on your phone. After the installation is complete, you'll see an open option. Simply tap on open and now you can start using the app, and it is that easy. These are some simple few steps you can follow to install the WeCash app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.